Hello everyone. So we are here to talk about APS Style 7th edition. Well, let us know first what is APS Style. APS Style is a writing style and a format for academic documents such as scholarly journals, research papers, articles, and other research work as well. And we also have some assignments or different things on APS Style as well. It is commonly used for citing sources within the field of social sciences, arts, education, and different things over here. Basically, it was actually managed by American Psychological Association. That's why we call it APA Style 7th edition. So, well, there were lots of different things in edition manuals and different uh, previous manuals like 6th edition, 5th edition, and different editions. So its first edition came in 1929. Since that, we have lots of edition, and currently we have 7th edition. That came in 2019, led in 2019. So we are following that one, and it made very easy for the student paper. Before that, for student research, student paper, it was very difficult because they had the same rules for professional paper and student assignments. So that made easy over here. They made a different rules for the student paper and professional writing. So we are not going to talk about professional paper today. We are only talk about student paper setup. So let's have some basics first. Let's talk about the basics first. So what basics we have? Let's talk about the first about what are the main parts of APA style. So whenever you talk about the main parts of APA style, it's the title page. It looks totally different. APA style has a unique sort of the part title page. Then we have abstract. Then we have the body and reference page, and you make all end references. Okay, so it says like in a basics, we have the first as a margin, in a APA style, we use computer, and in a computer, we use A4 size paper. In an A4 size, we have the same margins like we have in 6th edition, 5th edition, all the previous editions, we have the margins like 1 inch equal from left side, right side, top, bottom, everywhere you have to give a 1 inch equal. Then we have font size and font name. In previous edition, we have a very much fixation about 12.12 pt times New Roman. But here you have a liberty to use lots of other legible fonts, which could be easily readable. So you can use 11 point Calibri, Arial, Book Etiquette, Georgia, and different as well, but it should be readable. So there is one specification that when you use Times New Roman, you have to make 12 font size. Okay, that's it. If we talk about the paragraph and alignment, as it is same as in 6th edition, we have same. It is started from left, and you don't have to justify all the paragraphs. If we talk about the page numbers, it made easy for us. In a 6th edition and 5th edition, we had to make running head on first page, and second page should have only title and page numbers. It was very much confusing. Over here, you have to put page number 1 on the right side. So we got the basics over here. Let's talk about how to make it. We will make it step by step. You have to follow it. Please be with me. Let's format the paper. So this is a Word. I'm using Word Office 2016 version over here, Microsoft Office 16 version. First thing, you have to go with the layout. In a layout, you have to choose the page size. It could be different one like I have already chosen. Later, you should go with the A4 size. Look at this one. This is A4 size. Then you have to see the margins. It's already normal 1 inch to all sides like top, left, bottom, right. So that's okay for us. Now where we have to go to home. Calibri is all okay for us, we can use it, but what we have to do, we are going to use Times New Roman because our teacher asked to use it. So regular 12, and we are making say it is default one. Okay, it's there now. It is error. So what is easy over here? You don't have to put running head, just page number over on the right side. Go for the page number, top page, and on the right side. That's it. That's all. Then what you would do, enter 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. and go to the center, add your title, whatever your title is, then add your name, like I'm adding them over here, supposing them. Yeah, Neman Solangi, okay, and then your class, like you have to bold your title over here, and then I will tell you about space between the lines. So we put the name over here, then the class, it is actually BS English. Okay, BS English semester 1. Okay, then you have to like University of Literature, that is your university, and after that you have to put your subject name, like it is English for all purposes. Then what you need to do, put your professor name. It could be anyone, if it's doctor or anyone. So if not, then just put Mr. Soil Aman Solangi we are putting over here. That's it, and the date, complete date. So what date we are having? June. It is 18 June, by the way. 18 June 2021. It could be like this one, or it could be maybe written as June 21. Okay, and the most important thing, you have to make it space, give them a space of 2.0. Make sure you are giving space of 2.0. So it will show like this one. We got it. So this is actually what you have in your title page. Your title, let's change the title. Maybe if I have to add importance of Victorian literature in 21st century. That's our topic, and this is the name of the person who's obtaining, and this is actually his. And you can add your ID as well. This you with your class and this thing. Well, make it short. We are making this is your title page. Look at this. This should be your title view of your title page. That's simple. If you go for a 6th edition, you have a different sort of the title page. Over here, we have a different one. So we are going to the second page directly. We are just putting enter. We are not giving page break. It may be confusing for you. So abstract. What we have to do, abstract is the most important in research, where you put executive sort of the summary, which tells what have you done in this paper in a short way. So it's very important. So what we are going to do, we are putting some writing over here, like, so we got some over here, something over here, some writing. So in abstract, you need to do what, just put up one space and connect all writing. This is just a one paragraph. In abstract, we only add one paragraph. If your teacher asks you, your professor asks you to add some keywords, you can add over here. This is abstract page. That is the second part of your research. Then you go to the body. Now for the body, what you need to do, abstract, like in a keywords, you can write Victorian period, English literature, on lots of other things as well. Okay, and then if you're going to third page, this is the actually body of your research paper. So what your assignment or your research paper. So what you need to do, you have to actually copy, rewrite your topic again. That is a need of abstract, and this says that you have started your body of paper over here. Again, now you have to start your like any of the topic, like you can write the introduction over here. Adding introduction, it should go on left side, or anything else. So over here you can start writing the different things. We got some paragraphs over here, you can see. So like, what you need to do, indent them all like this, or it could be you select all these and indent, use indent from here. Now look at this one, all the paragraphs are indented well. The first line indented well. Okay, so these are the short paragraphs. You can add, like, it's up to your assignment, what sort of assignment you are having. Look, we are adding over here some big paragraphs. So we got some paragraphs over here. So this is actually your body. Now it's entirely up to your work, how you are doing your work, what is your topic, and how good you are doing the topic. So you have to do like this. Okay, we did it. Look this view. Now we are going to the end, and that is known as the references. Look, there are two sort of references. One is known as uh, in-text citation, which we give the references over here. Suppose we have any references like John Smith, so we can add our references over here. Well, there's a separate video for that one. John Smith, he wrote a book in 2010, 2011. So this could be the reference in AP style. This is known as in-text citation. This reference we call the in-text citation. We are moving. We are writing the end references. This is last part of our APA style, that is known reference, nothing to bold and nothing, and you have to start from here. Okay, there's actually special references things over here on Word, so you have to do in a second another lecture. We'll talk about all these things. Till then, take care.